Alright, so Henrick Housechild, you have that quadratic formula you want solved, so here it is. So 3x squared plus 4x minus 3 equals 0. So you can use the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So for that test tomorrow, you need to memorize this, okay? If anything else, memorize this. Alright, so I'm just going to show you what a, b, and c are. So the coefficient in front of the x squared, the number out in front of the x squared is the 3, and that's the a. The next one is b, and that's the one in front of the x. So no matter what order you place these in, the one that the x squared, the highest power, that's the a coefficient. The x, that's the b coefficient. And the constant, and make sure to pay attention to the sign in front, is the c coefficient. So if you want to write it out, it's a equals 3, b equals 4, and c equals negative 3. Alright, so now that you got that, let's plug it into the quadratic formula. So x equals negative b. So it's 4, so negative 4. Plus or minus the square root of b squared. So 4 squared. So 4 squared is what? 16? So minus 4 times a. 4 times a, so let's do negative 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is negative 3. Alright, so we got negative 4 times 3. That's negative 12 times negative 3. Negative times negative equals positive. And so now we got 12 times 3 is 36. Okay. And then we have, so we have plus or minus negative 4. And then remember, it's all over 2a, so it's 2 times 3. So you go 2 times 3. So remember that was in, 2 times 3. I was just showing you how to simplify the inside there. Alright, so now what you want to do is combine those numbers in the radical. So 16 plus 36, that would be what, 52? And then, is that right? 40, yeah, 52. And then minus 4 over 6. Okay, so now you're wondering, alright, so can I simplify this radical? You can also plug this in the calculator and it'll give you a decimal answer, but if you want an exact, you want to keep it in radical form or see if that simplifies. So you got 52. So what you're going to do with 52 is you're going to factor it. So 2 times, let's see, 26, 52. 26 is 2 times 13. So we have 2 times 2 times 13. So that means we can bring a 2 out. So you have a 2 times 2 times 13, and its square root. Remember, square root is index of 2. So you can bring a 2 out the side. So you got 2 square roots of 13. So now let's simplify that. So we got negative 4 plus or minus 2 square roots of 13 divided by 6 equals x. Let's go a step further. So we got negative, so 4 and 6, common divisor of 2. So you got 2 over 3, and then 2 and 6, common divisor of 2, so we got plus or minus the square root of 13 over 6. Alright, and so you know how you have two answers, so one answer would be negative 2/3 plus square root of 13 over 6, and negative 2/3 minus the square root of 13 over 6. Hope that explains it for you.